Hello friends, this is Samir Khan here. Friends, today I'd like to tell you about how to do practice, how to improve English, how to improve fluency. Understood? See friends, you have learned many things through my videos. Today I will tell you about how to improve English language. See, any language depends on four things. That is LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, writing. Understood? So if you want to develop English language, you will have to do practice on these four things: listening, speaking, reading, writing. So every day you will have to read English. You will have to listen English. You will have to write English. You will have to speak in English. Understood? So listening, listen, communication, dialogues, commentary, interviews. Okay? So it will improve your vocabulary power, grammar power, and you will understand what they are saying, what they are talking. Okay? Then speak more, speak daily, communicate in English, speak with your friends, speak with your relatives, speak with shopkeepers. Wherever you go, try to communicate in English. It will improve your fluency. Understood? Then reading. Read at least 2 pages every day. 2 pages. It will improve your dictation. It will improve your vocabulary. It will improve your spelling. And it will improve your word power. It will improve your reading skills. That is very important. And write every day at least 2 pages of your notebook. So it will improve your writing skill. It will improve your dictation. Understood? So why am I saying these all things? Because you are learning English and you must develop it. You must be fluent in English. It is your duty. It is your liability. Understood? Because friends, there are many benefits of learning English nowadays. You can become English teacher. You can become soft skill trainer. You can become motivational speaker. You can become editor. You can become translator. You can become author. You can become public speaker. You can become content writer. You can become lecturer. You can become professor. So there are many benefits of learning English nowadays because it is an international language. And English language is a very vast language. There are many things to learn in English, like etymology, phonetics, linguistics, syntax, morphology, orthography, spoken English, accents, grammar, basics. There are many things. So friends, keep learning English, keep doing practice, and if you learned many things or something from my videos, so you like my video, subscribe it and press the bell icon and wait for my next video. Thank you very much.